Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with another amazing digital from Decorate Your Life, Sandy. And some of you guys might know her here on YouTube by Decorate Your Life. And of course she is an amazing creator and designer, and now she's doing her own digitals. And of course I fell in love with this one now. Oh my goodness. So I am now obsessed with this one. It is the cutest ever. I will link her shop down on the description below, as well as her YouTube channel and her Facebook group. So you guys, she just came up with this one like really it's really recent, and OMG, I fell in love with it. So when you print it out, you're gonna print out and it's gonna be a full size unless you do your own adjustments and do a resizing of the digitals. So this is a full page right here, and the rest I did do resize them. So if you were to print them out, this is the way they would look, unless, like I said, you were to print them. So this is called, I had to write everything here, My Sweet Little Princess. And of course I will also link the affiliate link down on the description below. You guys go over, visit the shop. You guys, if you guys want, you could of course buy the digital, and I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you if you were to buy the digital. So like I said, it's no additional cost to you, but I do earn a little small commission, and yay. So look at this one, you guys. So this one reminded me of my little princesses. So I have two granddaughters, and one of her hair is like this one and the other one is like this one. And look at you guys, oh my goodness. And of course one of them loves rainbows, loves unicorns, horses. Oh my gosh, she is in love with horses. And this one reminds me of my little one, which she's just still a girly little girl. And this is so cute. I figured if you were to print one full size like this, you could use this as an invitation, or if you were to like frame it and put the name and birth date of the birthday girl, if you were to do it as a party themed. Gorgeous. So these are resized, and then of course it's only this size. Sorry you guys, I had a cough. So this is Sandy's Decorate Your Life store and YouTube and Facebook group. So sorry you guys, I had to write them so I won't forget. So you get this one, and like I said, I did resize them. I think this is a 5x7 or almost a 5x7. So isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, look at you guys. Look at the fox. How cute. And the bunny. OMG. And I think this is like a I want to say it's a deer. It's a deer. I want to say there's another name for it. I do not remember it right now. But look at the little girls. So remind me of my little babies. And then you have this one. So this one's another one right here. And aren't these cute? You could just fuzzy cut these. You could resize these. Like I said, you could resize all of these right here. And this is another one. And of course, I resized all of them. So this is if you were to print it out, it would be a full page, like I said, unless you resize it. And here's the little one. Here is actually this one right here. As you guys could see, I did resize it, and it is right here. This is the other one that you get, and with the little fox and the deer. And look at these flowers. Oh my goodness. Even these right here are just amazingly gorgeous. OMG, you guys, this is the cutest paper, and it's so girly. And these are the flowers that come along with it. And as I said, this is a full page. Actually, I wanted to resize them, but then I wanted to show you guys all the flowers that come along with this digital. So I will be resizing these a little bit bigger. I will be doing that separately. So again, this is the beautiful digital collection, and it's called My Sweet Little Princess. And I will link it down on the description below, you guys, so you guys can go over, check out the beautiful digital, as well as, if you guys are interested, she also does sell the paper pack, but digital, I believe you could reprint over and over. You don't pay extra for it, and you know, once you buy the digital, it's yours forever to keep. So you guys, I'm also having a giveaway, so if you are interested in this digital, it will be a digital, it's not going to be a paper. So just, you know, make sure you have either a printer or have access to a printer. Go to the library. Some of the UPS stores might be able to print them for you, but like I said, it is going to be a digital. So just enter me down on the description below, so you guys can have the opportunity to own this digital. And like I said, it's going to be a giveaway, and I will just, you know, announce the winner in a couple of days when I come back and show you guys what I created. Anyways, thank you again, and don't forget, I will also link all the designers that are on Sandis Decorate Your Life design team down on the description below, so you guys could also see all the other amazing creations that everybody's coming up with. You guys, there's so many talent in this design team. Like OMG, like, you guys go check them out, show them some love and support, and thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.